Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back. Today is a little bit of an organizational video. I have all of these pots that I didn't really have a place for. They are all new, within the past couple weeks. So I picked up this container at my local dollar store. This was $4.50. Totally not worth $4.50, but we'll see. It can be sectioned off. Comes with all these little dividers, but I don't think that I'm going to use them. We'll see though. I also have some pallets that I bought that I may fill up with my other container of, let's see here. So I have this container here of my potted polishes that I never reach for because they are all in here and not easily accessible, and they take up a lot of room. So I'm going to put a little bit of them in each of these containers, and maybe I will use them more. And these here I just got off of Temu. But first I'm going to try and put these in here just so I know what I have and put them all together. Like, I have different things. These are the new embossing gels that are really cool. You can make texture with them, but they're not like the gypsum paints. And I have a couple doubles of those, just because I bought two different what do you call it, packages, different collections, I should say. Here are my gypsum gels. I'm just going to put those in here. And my spider gels I'll put down here. Oh, I have another one of these. It's not going to fit. I have these really pretty top coats that I really need to swatch because I have no clue what they actually look like. And oh, these are really pretty. These are the metallic polishes. They don't really fit, but they are fitting. And I think I'm going to put my chromes in here. If they fit. And I have a couple different golds and silvers. So I put those together. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these ones are the same colors. And these are all different kind of golds and bronzes. One's overboard. Okay, I think that that is going to be good. Let's see if it closes. Okay, I do have to push down on it hard, but it does close. Okay, so now I can't buy any more of these, right? I think I'm going to put some of the embossing gels in here. Let's see how big the wells are. So I bought the two different sizes, and I actually have two of the really little ones as well. I'll have to dig those out though. Okay, these are super big. I didn't realize. I thought they were going to be the same size as this one. That's a lot of polish to put in there. Okay, maybe I'll leave these ones like so for now. And we'll look at these ones, because I seriously have not touched these. I think I've used the black and the white out of here. And that's it. And there's two different sets of these in here. These are 8mm, and I'm pretty sure 8mm will fit into these ones as well. So one's a 36 pack, and one I think had 24 in it. Let's just see what these are. But yeah, I'm going to put these in here, these ones. I think they'll be okay. So this is going to be a little messy of a job. We'll see how it goes. I have some paper towel. Gosh, there's hardly any in this. I mean, look at that. This might be a bad idea, guys. There's literally a drop in there. So these ones here are supposed to be 8mm. So when you buy those little bottles of polishes, like so, this is 7.5mm, that's how much is in your container. That's it. That's like nothing. That seems so crazy. Alright, I'm gonna continue on. I'm gonna save my buttons, if I can get them off. I don't even care what the name of the colors are. And I'll just line them up like so. Alright, one done. Let's continue on. I might just put, I don't know if I'm going to put the actual whites and blacks. I might just put the weird colors in here. You know what I mean? Yep, there's definitely not much in here. I don't know what to do with these little containers. Should I just throw them right out? I don't know if they can be used for anything. Okay, I'm going to just speed this up, like 10 speed, and I'll show you what it looks like after it's all done. Alright, so we didn't get them all. I'm going to have to get another container. I kind of halfway through realized I should have them, you know, color by color, so I tried from this part on. So I saved mostly the greens and the browns, and reds, I guess, for the next one. And this is just a temporary solution there. But at least this will be easier to grab. And I'm more likely to use it. And it is pretty tightly sealed, although you would never want to, you know, turn this upside down because it will be a mess if you do that. There, I'm happy with that. Turned out really good.